Hi, my name is Norman Chung, running 46 UCSD Racing, part of the Revline team. As you can see, challenging weekend. Had an accident in qualifying session, second qualifying session, where I collided with another guy in his bike, Paul Yearwood, and flipped over the handlebars, and it was lights out from there. The rest of the weekend, hoping I would be able to come back, but the concussion still has me a little bit giddy, so I decided to just sit it out. Instead, one of my Guyanese Trinidad friends, Nicolas Gonzalez, he had an engine failure on his bike, so not to waste his weekend, I opted to fix up my bike and allow him to race it. We work together, even though we're countries apart, we're still one team, we're all bike life. So we make him have the fun. I enjoyed watching the races, but very active racing, very action-packed for sure. Looking for you guys to come out in August to see us again for the GRDC meet.
An 876 Street endorsed event.